Good afternoon, kids. Again, Mr. Johnson here. So, this week we're going to play a little game. Yep, this is still summer camp and this is still physical education, gym class. So, here we go. This week we're going to go over a lesson. It's really, really cool. It's called Active Bingo. So, Active Bingo is a really cool game that you can do either by yourself, with your friends, or your family. But it's also really, really cool when you do it with your family and your friends because who wants to do it by themselves? You know? But if you have to, no worries, you can do it. So I already started drawing the actual box so you know what you have to do. So if you don't have an easel, you can just get a pen, marker, or a piece of paper. So you want to write the word active, Active. Now, what makes it bingo is you want to write the numbers 1, 2, 3 on the side here. So in the rules in bingo, it's like when someone calls a number, they'll go T3. So you go over to the letter T and you go down to the number 3. And this is where you get what you have to do. So now we still have to fill in the boxes of what we're really doing. So I actually already filled in the boxes with a lot of things that I do during a workout or when I'm exercising. So the first thing I put here is jumping jacks. I love to do jumping jacks. So I put JJ. I love to do jumping jacks because it's one of the easiest exercises you can do to get warmed up, to get moving, to get your heart rate up, to just get warm and loose. And this box, C, I put stretch. Very, very important to stretch. So I put stretch. What other things are important in gym class? Resting. You have to rest. Yeah, sometimes you get really, really tired, so you want to rest. So for T, I put rest. Okay. For I, I'm going to put 30 for a little, I'm going to put bicep curls. Want to get them biceps moving. See them biceps? Want to get them moving. Got to work on my biceps. So here we go. We're going to go bicep curls. All right, so here's the deal. With bicep curls, if you don't have weights, I have some back here, but if you don't have actual weights, there are things that a lot of people recommend they can use. You can use like little buckets and put something in them and then curl them. You can use gallons. Like, so if you have an empty gallon around the house, fill it up with some water or as heavy as you want to get it, you can use those. You don't always have to have some type of gym equipment or weights. You can use other things around the house that gives you what they call resistance. And then you can use them to curl. Okay? And maybe later on in a couple weeks, I'll show you how to properly do a bicep curl. So I put bicep curls. So for V, let's take a look. So V, I actually put run in place. Run in place. So running in place to me is similar to jumping jacks. It's the same premise. You get your heart rate up. It's what they call cardiovascular exercise. And you want to get your breathing and your heart rate up, and you want to get warmed up and maybe even sweat a little bit just to get warmed up. And that helps prevent you from injuring yourself when you're doing exercises, strenuous exercises. So very, very important. And E, I've already know. Make sure you have water, a water break. Take a water break. Okay? Now that you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different things across the board, you want to take little pieces of paper and you want to write them down. You want to take a piece of paper, you want to rip it, and you want to write A1 jumping jacks, C1 stretching, T1 rest, I1 bicep curls, V1 run in place, and E1 water. So it's E and 1. So then you do the exact same thing for A2. You can put rest. You just repeat the same thing, but you mix it up a little bit, make it a little more fun. So you put rest, you can put bicep curls, you can put run in place. What are we missing? We can put stretch, and you can put water, and you can put jumping jacks. So you did the exact same thing that you did on the first line on the second line, and then you repeat it for the third line. So we're just going to go backwards with this, or we're just going to randomly put it water, jumping jacks, stretch, bicep curls, run in place, and we're missing one more, rest. Or did we do already rest? Okay. All right, so now that you have all 1, 2, 3, so now that we have 18 boxes filled in, 18, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 boxes filled in of different things. So now you take the 6 things, and like I said, you write them. You take all 18, but you label them. A1, C1, A2, A3, A4, no A4, T1, T2, T3, I1, I2, I3, and so on. Put them in a little bowl. Shake it up. Pick one out. Open it up. And whatever one it says, whether it's T3. So if I turn around and I said it's T3, T3 would be T3. I would have to stretch because I put stretch in the 3 box. So stretching is good. You want to repeat this for at least 30 minutes. 30 minutes. And whatever exercise that you picked out, you still want to do it for 30 minutes, but it's okay to rest. It's okay to stop. It's okay. If you can't do it 30 minutes, you can make whatever time you think is good for you, whether it's 10 minutes, whether it's 5 minutes, whether it's 3 minutes, but you want to do it long enough to get your body moving and heat it up, get a little sweat, stretch, warm up for your next activity or your next thing you're going to pick out. So if you get lucky enough, you can pick out water, because I know once you do one, you're going to want to take a sip of water, and that's okay. You can take a sip of water at any given moment. But if you pick one that says water break and you don't need a water break, then don't take a water break. These are the things that I would have put in a box. I wonder what you would have put in the box. Would you have put a TikTok dance, a Just Dance video? What are the other ones? A Fortnite dance? Or something on YouTube that gets you all warmed up and happy and fun for your physical education class. So I think this is a great lesson called Active Bingo. And I want you to have fun with it. Remember, always have fun. I hope you're staying safe. I hope you're with your families. I hope you're sharing good times. But try to play this with your family and friends, because whether you can do it virtually, because that's where everybody is right now. You can maybe put it on like a Zoom call or a FaceTime, put on some music and have fun. But active bingo is the key. Active, meaning you want to stay moving. It's an act of moving. So you want to act on this lesson, okay? So do it for 30 minutes, and I'm curious of how it comes out. I wish I can be with you all today, through this summer camp, but I think good days are ahead, and I'm sure I'm going to see some of you. So if I do, I'm going to ask you, how did this lesson go? And you best believe we're going to do it in gym class when we see each other. Okay? Listen, you guys, stay safe, and as always, drink a lot of water and share this with your family. Have a great day.